The first thing I'd like to say is to our senior journalistic colleague Anirudh Bahal. Anirudh, if I'm sensing from what you have done, and anyone will put any sort of political motive, you are attacking this party, why are there no congressmen, etc., etc. But I have a strong view tonight, as I compliment you for this investigation, that in 2005 we saw members of parliament accept cash for asking queries in parliament. In 2008 we saw members of parliament showing off cash. We don't know what happened to that full sting operation for votes during the nuclear deal. And now in 2013, we have members of parliament on tape accepting cash for writing letters of recommendation. I think the very fact that the member of parliament is acknowledged today he's done that is, I think, proof. No, Ajay, this is the very moment of inflection. And the Cobra Post investigation, what it tells me is that despite the public anger, despite the outrage, the corruption, Anirudh, is so deep-seated that, people are still so blatant about the way they take cash.
Yeah, just coming back to your point earlier, I couldn't understand it. You were saying, you were saying about Congress, isn't it across party lines?
No, it is about, it is about over party lines. Yeah, it is across party lines.
Investigation takes us where we go. Even if there are 10 of a particular party, it is my constitutional right to do that investigation, and we will do it.
Yeah.
We are not faced by charges that you are with a particular group or with a particular party, or the ISI is behind you, or a particular corporate group is inside you. These charges always come on messengers, and motives are always ascribed, but we are thick-skinned. We don't really get into that debate at all. That is a nonsensical debate. It is like me asking you, why did you do 10 debates continuously which are pro-Congress or pro-BJP? I know that is not the case, and it doesn't happen like that.
It's ridiculous. That's why the reason I made that point is so that point is completely preempted. It's a ridiculous point for those who want to say things like this. You go by the merit of what you find on tape. And I think what is astounding on tape, Mr. Javadekar, Ajay, coming to Mr. Javadekar, your member of parliament has no business writing a letter about oil exploration. उनका क्या लेना देना है oil exploration से? पहली बात, प्रकाश जी.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And that is why, as I told you, we will definitely not only inquire like Aam Aadmi Party by ourselves and self-certify. Even if the parliament conducts inquiry, we will ask our members to cooperate fully, and the truth must come out. But you mentioned 2008, and that is what I am asking again. Please don't tell half-truth. 2008 sting was what you showed, but that was where Supreme Court has come and gave them clean sheet, not only clean sheet, but said they were the whistleblowers who were wrongly confined. They were the people who called the TV channel to see and record.
Okay, but you won't discount 2005, I hope. No, but 2005, you remember, 2005 members of parliament were caught taking cash for asking questions.
They were expelled.
This is a repeat of that. This is the repeat of that.
But then Parliament, why you jump today at 10 o'clock that by your discussion only things will be over?
Who is saying that?
There is Parliament, it is in operation.
Who is saying that?
No, I am saying.
Who is saying that?
I am saying.
No, why can't you tell your MPs? नहीं देखिए इसमें क्या है? इसमें ऐसा है कि
इसमें कुछ नहीं है.
What do you mean इसमें कुछ नहीं है?
इसमें एक ही बात है कि कल पार्लियामेंट चल रहा है, पार्लियामेंट खुद संज्ञान लेगा. आप ऐसा पॉलिटिकल क्लास को डिमीन मत करिए कि कोई कॉन्शियस वहाँ नहीं रहा है. अगर कोई गलती करता है तो उसकी सजा होती है.
What I am saying is, please remember, I am not making any generalization of members of parliament. What I am saying is these are some members of parliament issuing letters of recommendation. Some Lok Sabha MPs are willing to walk. I am reading from the Operation Falcon Corp press release. They are ready to walk an extra mile to help with lobbying with the highest level of the petroleum ministry. Some are saying, I'll get 5 MPs along with me, I'll also go and lobby with you. Is this some picnic, Mohandas Pai? Is this why people get elected to be members of parliament? So to walk around and put pressure in offices where they have no business walking? I think all these MPs, if they have done things like this, should be arrested immediately, Mohandas Pai.
Absolutely, Arnab. Absolutely, Arnab. I think they have no business doing it, but it seems to be the common thing all over. and I think is hurting the prestige of Parliament and lowering the respect the citizens have for Parliament as an institution. It is a question about the very survival of Parliament in this country. Parliament should take it seriously, set up activate the privileges committee, and then take it up and expel them if they find evidence. Unless Parliament acts very seriously, citizens will lose whatever respect they have for Parliament when they see MPs selling themselves out for letter of recommendation. I think it's a very, very serious issue.
Absolutely. Well, Ajay wanted to come in. Ajay, the most shocking revelations are about your party. No, let me tell people what JDU MPs have allegedly done. Operation what? Allegedly, underline allegedly. Okay, so you don't jump on me nowadays. Politicians have a bad habit. You ask a question, they immediately jump on you.
No, I'm not jumping.
No, I will file a defamation case against you. The media is also corrupt, etc., etc. The question is this. A certain member of parliament from the JDU says, I will bring along other MPs to lobby with the Petroleum Ministry for an amount. The price is 5 lakh rupees, right, Anirudh? I think the
price. That's right.
5 lakh for what, if you can tell us?
5 lakhs per letter. Mr. Maheshwar Hazari says he asked 25 lakhs for 5 letters. And he says that he would form the company, and MP says 1 lakh per letter is too little for him.
So 5 lakh per letter. And if you give 5 lakh,
right.
What do you get as a combo deal? It's like going to a fast food joint and saying you'll get a burger and some fries and cola with it. What is the combo deal being offered for 5 lakh? 1 minute, Majhi ji, zara sun lijiye.
They will write letters to the ministry, and when the party comes into power and forms a government, he will be able to help the company with much more seriously and many more ways.
How shameful, Ajay. How shameful.
Let me come back. What we are seeing here right now.
1 minute. First of all, Mr. Majhi is speaking. No, 1 minute. Mr. Majhi. Mr. Majhi, are you speaking to me?
कभी
माझी जी
लेबर मिनिस्टर ने लिखते रहता हूँ, कभी स्पीकर यहाँ लिखते रहता हूँ, कभी एम्स में लिखते रहता हूँ. आज भी मैंने लिखा हूँ और लिख रहा हूँ.
लेकिन लिखना गुनाह नहीं है माजी जी, लिखना गुनाह नहीं है.
इंसान को
taking gratification, illegal gratification, and this video footage is evidence as per 65B of the Indian Evidence Act.
No, I think I have a feeling he's answering questions on some other channel. We try and see if that is the case. Yes, Ajay, what were you saying?
See, right now I was listening to Ma'am Abha. She also told that this is a immediate crime and the FIR should be lodged suo motu. Agreed. Anirudh Bahal said there were 11 MPs irrespective of party line. Agreed, because I also know 3 from BJP, 3 from JDU, 2 from Congress, 2 from BSP, 1 from AIDMK. Very good. But of these 11 MPs, have you seen a single recognized MP from any of the parties?
What is
no.
What's the one minute. Who is a recognized MP?
No, let me come to
Who is a recognized? 1 minute. First of all, define a recognized MP. Define a recognized MP.
Let me come to it. Yes, I'm defining it.
What is this new qualification? Who is a recognized MP?
What is we are practicing here? See, what has been done is not right. It's absolutely wrong. Strong condemnation for everything what has been done. The crime has been committed. But here is not a case of investigative journalism. Here is a case of instigative journalism. That's what I'm concerned
right, fantastic.
Because if the MPs have done crime, this Cobra Post have done equally the crime by instigating them to accept the bribe. No. Why don't you look at the charge? Because aiding and abetting the crime is equal an offense.
This is, you see, Mr. Ajay, first of all, एक मिनट माजी जी जरा बात सुनेंगे प्लीज. माजी जी मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
पैसा मतलब है कि हाथ में ले रहे हैं, गिन रहे हैं और डिमांड किए हैं. ये सब गलत बात है.
माजी जी आप अपने से बात करें, अपने आप से बात करें कि मेरी बात आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपको?
आ रही
है ना. तो 1 मिनट रुकिए, बात सुन लीजिए. बहुत गंभीर आरोप है आप पे. आपकी पार्टी भी आपको इन्वेस्टिगेट करने वाली है. टेप अभी जाएगा इन्वेस्टिगेशन में.
मैं अगर उस तरह से होगा तो जरूर दूंगा जवाब, लेकिन हम कहूं पर कुछ है ही नहीं. अब इस तरीके से मतलब है कि अगर कर रहा है तो उसको मैं क्या कर सकता हूं?
आपको पता है बंगारू लक्ष्मण केस में क्या हुआ?
पता है.
और आपको डर, मैं ये पूछना, आपको डर नहीं लगा जब कोई ने 1 मिनट माजी जी सुन तो लीजिए.
हमने लेन देन की बात
सुन लीजिए ना बात मेरी.
लेटर लिखा हूं, लेटर लिखते
क्यों लिखते हैं लेटर? आप कौन होते हैं लेटर लिखने के लिए? आपका क्या लेना देना है? एक ऑस्ट्रेलियन कंपनी आके बोलती है लेटर लिखो, आप लेटर लिखते हो।
एम्स रहता है, कभी रेलवे ट्रांसफर कराता है, कभी प्रधानमंत्री से रिक्वेस्ट रहता है, तो
क्यों
उस पर हमने लेटर लिख दिया।
कोई भी बड़ी, एक मिनट रुकिए प्लीज।
50,000 रुपया मांझी जी को दिए, ये एकदम सरासर झूठ है, ये तो फंसाने की बात है।
नहीं, उस पे तो अभी सीबीआई की इंक्वायरी होगी मांझी जी।
बता दे कि हाँ मतलब है
मांझी जी अभी आप पे सीबीआई की इंक्वायरी हो सकती है, एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट की इंक्वायरी हो सकती है, पुलिस वाले आपके घर में आ सकते हैं, इंस्पेक्शन होगा, सारी मीडिया डिस्कस करेगी, टेप दिखाया जाएगा। आपको, मुझे बस ये लगता है कि मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता, कोई 1000 करोड़ की कंपनी आके कह देती है मांझी जी चिट्ठी लिखिए, और आप चिट्ठी लिखते हैं, और कोई दूसरा मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट कहते हैं कि एक चिट्ठी की 5 लाख लगेगा, 5 लाख में हम पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्ट्री में जाके लॉबी भी कर देंगे। आपको लगता नहीं है कि आपके 10 साल पहले बंगारू लक्ष्मण के साथ क्या हुआ, आपको याद नहीं है?
मैंने उसको लेटर लिख दिया।
क्यों लिखा?
हाँ,
क्यों लिखा?
हाँ, लेटर लिख दिया। वो
क्यों लिखा?
सर्विस के बात है, आप हमको लिख दीजिए, हमको सर्विस हो जाएगा। लेकिन मेरा ये पता नहीं था कि कौन ये फर्जी कंपनी है, क्या है, वो मेरा कुछ नहीं पता था।
अच्छा, असली कंपनी होती तो आप लिख देते, ये तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया। यस, नो, watch. First of all, I want Anirudh to respond to the point made by Ajay earlier, where he said this is not investigative journalism, this is instigative journalism. Anirudh, to Ajay.
So I know that's a new definition I'm learning today, but as far as the definition, I mean, these kind of charges come all the time, that it is basically that they say that they claim the tapes are doctored, then they will claim that there's entrapment. Let me file you definition of entrapment. If there is prior information of people doing particular criminal act or engaging in a particular transaction which is against the rules, and then you go and approach it, it is not entrapment at all, according to UK case law, and even the Indian case law. Let me remind the Honorable MP that we have there's case law that has developed in Operation West End, when certain people have seen the rule of law come on them with full force of the might of the government of India. There has also been case law which has developed in the Cash for Questions case. It was sort of engaged in the Delhi High Court. Delhi High Court gave a stinging judgment which sort of against the MPs, and then they said that the media house should be sort of lauded for having done this.
And you tell that you write a letter and we'll give you this kind of a money. What do you call this? Won't you call this aid?
Not at all. The demand is coming from them. I don't think you have seen the tapes. The middlemen are fixing the amounts, and they are bargaining the amounts.
See, a sub-intellect,
what are you talking?
a lower intellect level,
I don't think you have seen the tapes at all.
That's what you have been doing.
No, Ajay, you have no argument here.
I don't think you have seen the video at all.
Ajay, you are on Ajay.
In the post of yours.
No, Ajay, you go to somebody and you say that, you know, I am investing 1,000 crore rupees. I need some help. Will you write a letter for me? The member of parliament says, I will write a letter. I need money. And then he says 1 lakh is too less. If you give me 5 lakh, I'll give you a combo fast food type package. I'll write a letter and go and lobby for you as well. So I don't think you can blame the what Cobra. 1 minute. What Cobra Post is checking is whether these members of parliament expect financial or other inducement to be doing this. Now, if a member of parliament says that, you know what, Mr. Cobra Post, I only want to know what your subject is, you give me details of the subject, if I am convinced about it, if I feel it makes a case, then I'll write a letter. Then Cobra Post has nothing to accuse that member of parliament of. But you see, these people are cutting deals, Ajay. And one of them says, our leaders would not have become corrupt if the elections had not become so expensive nowadays. It seems before an election, they are getting hungrier for money. You understand, Ajay?
Arnav, 100% your point is taken. I am not denying the fact that this has happened, and right on the first line I said that this is a grave, this is something blunder what they have done. But what I am trying to make it another aspect of this debate could be that, see, these MPs, if you are listening to them, and if you go through the whole tapes, you can make it out the intellect level is so low. They often fall into entrapment.
Yeah, so
you know,
what?
And this is
so
what
is that the fault of Cobra Post? That they're intellectual, that they are neither intellectually nor ethically, they have any morals? Is that the problem of Cobra Post? You tell your members of parliament to have ethics and morality and intellect.
The problem of the Cobra Post is the problem of the This is a matter of investigation. I am not accusing them. This is a matter of investigation, whether the Cobra Post actually instigated them in taking the money.
Well, I don't think that's the real issue here.
Cobra Post cannot be tried for adducement because Section 24 of the Prevention of Corruption Act clearly says that adducement on the bribe giver cannot be taken in. They have the protection. So you cannot say that they will be tried for this. And now when the footage is so clear, the Indian Evidence Act says it is admissible, and the CBI manual says that on source information,
even offering a bribe is a crime, ma'am.
We don't want to wait for the parliament. We want the CBI to
offering a bribe is a crime or not?
Don't shoot the messenger. In this case, Ajay, don't shoot the messenger.
The PC Act defends the messenger.
This has to stop. No, don't shoot the messenger. It is only because of sustained exposés on the Indian media, traditional, mainstream, or in the case right now as Cobra Post is doing, it is only because of these exposés that we are debating these issues that there is a sense of accountability. The day you start shooting the messenger, you will not be face to face with your own conscience. That's all I'd like to say. To Anirudh Bahal, congratulations, a big investigation there. And to Mr. Manji, don't be in denial. आप पे अलग से शायद investigation होगा. And to Abha, thank you very much. And very much to Ajay as well for defending the JDU in this case. Thank you.
Thank you.